Hey everyone, welcome to OC's Daily Meditation, where you can come every day, get a short 3 to 5 minute meditation in, followed up by an affirmation to help guide you towards having a positive day today. I want everybody to go ahead and sit up straight. Okay, sit comfortably. We're going to take a nice deep breath and focus all of our attention and awareness on our breathing for the next 3 to 5 minutes. You don't have to keep track of time. I'll gently bring us out of the meditation when it's complete and discuss our affirmation. Alright, so up straight and eyes closed. Nice deep breath. Just pay attention to how it feels to inhale, to exhale, and allow your breathing to bring you into a deeper state of relaxation. If your mind starts to wander, just return your attention back to your breath. Alright, that completes our meditation for the day. Our daily affirmation is, I am putting together a puzzle that is already finished. I am putting together a puzzle that is already finished. I am putting together a puzzle that is already finished. So I was listening to a podcast the other day. Kid Cudi, a rapper, was on a Joe Rogan podcast, and they were talking, and Kid Cudi was talking about how he makes his songs and his melodies and his creative process, and I thought it was really interesting the way that he works. What he said is, in his mind, the song, it's already been created on some level, and he sees it as his job to put the pieces of the puzzle together to complete the song that on some level is already done. So he feels like the song already exists on some level, and it's his job to kind of like to get there, to figure out, maybe a melody first, and he gets a little melody going, and he's got that piece, and now he's waiting to get the right hook or the background, and maybe a different instrumental, and now the lyrics are going to start coming. So he sees it as one big puzzle putting together this song that in his mind already exists. And it's his job to kind of fit the pieces together to actually create it and make it a physical, real song, even though he believes on some level it already exists. So that was the first time I had heard somebody describe songwriting or song creation in that way, and I thought it sounded really cool to me because I started to relate it to my own life. And if I have a goal or something that I want to accomplish or to think of it as if it already exists on some level. Like that end goal, it's already done, it's complete, perfectly done, finished, perfect. And now it's my job to put the pieces of the puzzle together to make that a reality in the physical world, even though it may already exist for real on another level. So I got my inspiration for the day from Kid Cudi. Manifestation, song creation, creating whatever you want in your life. I just thought it was an interesting perspective. So we're going to use that as our affirmation today. I am putting together a puzzle that is already finished. Alright? Let me know if you like it, how it works for you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for our next edition of OC's Daily Meditation. As always, please subscribe if you're watching on YouTube, and if you're watching on my Facebook page, OC's Daily Meditation. Follow the page, tell your friends about it, tell your family about it, and share the videos from time to time if you will. And I hope to get as many people meditating, self-reflecting, treating themselves with kindness, and treating others with kindness as possible. I love you guys. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.